Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all messages on Gmail using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to help you efficiently manage your email inbox. To get started, open your computer and navigate to Gmail by accessing your web browser. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, locate the messages you want to delete. On the left side of each message, you will see a checkbox next to it. To delete multiple messages, simply check the box next to each message you wish to remove from your inbox. You can select as many messages as needed. After selecting the messages you want to delete, look to the top of the page and find the Delete button. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. By clicking Delete, all the selected messages will be permanently removed from your inbox. This action helps you declutter your inbox and stay organized. Deleting all messages in Gmail can help you maintain a clean and organized email environment, making it easier to find important emails and stay on top of your inbox. Remember to review the messages you are deleting to ensure you are not removing any important or necessary information. Follow these simple steps to effectively delete all messages on Gmail using your PC, streamlining your email management process and keeping your inbox tidy and manageable.